The quiet feels different now. Not heavy, not hollow, more like a blanket I didn't know I needed. It wraps around the places where your voice used to live, and doesn't try to fill them, it just lets them rest. The quiet feels different now, like safety wearing soft gray, like permission to exhale without explaining why. I lit a candle on the table, not for romance, not for prayer, just to watch something flicker. And no, I'm not the only thing still